How to manage connected devices on HBO Max. Hello everyone and welcome to the new video. In today's video, I will show you how you can manage connected devices on your HBO Max account. Like all other services, HBO offers the option to connect multiple devices to one account. Let's see how we can manage these devices. First of all, open the HBO Max application. When HBO Max is loaded, tap on your profile icon in the upper right corner. When the profile page opens, tap the gear icon in the upper right corner. This will open a list of all settings that we can make on the HBO Max application. We would find the Devices section and tap on it. This will open a list of devices that are connected to our HBO Max account. If we scroll through the list, we can notice that there is an X icon next to each device. By tapping on this icon, we can log out of a specific device that we want. However, if we scroll all the way to the top of the list, we can find the Sign All Devices Out button. By tapping on this button, we can sign out from all devices from the list. In these two ways, we can save our account in case we are logged in somewhere where we don't want to or log out from all devices. That's all for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more HBO Max tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.